Hello, everyone. Can you hear me, please? Drop a message on the chat section if you can hear me, and please check the group for a link to join me live. I'm still gonna drop the live link here again. We'll spend a few minutes just looking at some new incredible stuff on Google Sheets. All right, Chicos, here. How are you?
I'm fine, sir.
Okay, so I'm going to start the class. Let me know if you can see my screen.
Okay, sir.
Can you see my screen?
Yes, sir.
Okay, all right. So the last time I spoke to you guys, we were actually looking at some of the tools we can explore in Microsoft Excel 365.
Yes,
And
sir.
there's,
You stopped at Bing Maps.
okay. And let me see.
So I want to ask a question. Is there
Okay,
no
go ahead.
option for us to, like, no, you're not using the 365 paid version. How do I have access to this one you're using now?
How do you have access to what?
This particular 365 you're using that is not the paid version.
Um, were you not able to locate the place?
No, I couldn't.
You couldn't use yours, really?
No, the one I have is Excel 3, Excel 213, and Excel 2. This one is 216, and then Excel 213. And neither of them have
Okay, so
add-on.
you have to you were you there in my first class?
Yes,
So if you were there in my first class, you know that we are not working with the normal Microsoft Excel desktop. We're using Microsoft Excel 365. So I gave the name of the website, or simply put, just go to Google and type Microsoft 365 and then get to log in, sign up with an email, a Microsoft email. That's how you can access it. So you have to go back and watch that recording. Okay, it's quite different. You can see there is a sign up here, and this is my email. You can see, right? I have a different email. So you can't use a Gmail account. It has to be a professional. It could be a Microsoft account or an Outlook account. So I spoke about all of that. That's where you can have access to all of this. Is that okay? Are you still there?
network threw me out.
Yes. Did you get my explanation?
No, I did not. Network threw me out.
Okay, I'm going to repeat it. I said that if you want to have access to the Microsoft account I used, you have to log in. You have to log into the Microsoft 365 using your Microsoft account or your Outlook account.
Wow, and I don't
Okay.
have any of that.
Yes, and I took you guys through how you can register for it. It's totally free.
Okay. So I can just
Yeah.
type in how to open a Microsoft account on the.
Yes. Please listen to that recording. I explain all of this in my first class.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. Any other question from anyone before I proceed? Any other question? All right. So if there's no question, I would go back. Can you see my screen?
Perfectly seen.
Well, all of you in the last class, and you know how I got to this point, right?
Yes, sir.
How many of you are here, please?
Speaking for myself, I don't know others.
I have Fontoni. I can't even hear him. And you and yeah, Lucy, Ikeria. Anyway, I'll just continue. I'm not getting responses. So let me there's something I didn't share with you guys the last time.
I'm here,
That is
sir, Mr.
actually
David.
possible. So let's say I want to look at Manchester, for instance. Okay. So I want to zoom in to Manchester. Let's right. So I want to zoom in to, let me cancel this. I want to zoom in to Manchester. So we have Manchester over here. Oh, that's Leeds. This should be Manchester. Okay, so I want to zoom in into that region. So around Manchester, I could see St. Helens, Bolton, Blackburn. This should be Leeds. Okay, so Manchester and Leeds are pretty much close to each other. And we have Derby, Nottingham, Wrexham, Chester, and so on. So let's zoom in. This is still Manchester. We could zoom in all the way, and we keep seeing the streets. Then now we begin to see railway stations or rails. We begin to see roads. We begin to see the names of streets. Are you guys see here, please?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so we begin to go right down. Now we can begin to. Did you know you can click on the blue lines to enter street side? So these are the blue lines. If you need to, you just click on them. And when we click on the blue lines, let me see what's going to come up. Excellent. Can you see this?
Wonderful.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Can you see? So this is how we can literally track anybody. Okay. We can literally track anyone to your house.
Hmm.
Can tell you the color of your house. All I need is, so it has even given me the name of the street,
The
35
streets.
Cotterdells Close, M16, ATJ, England, United Kingdom. Please, I'm teaching this so you know, in case you have a business you are working with, people will give you a fake address that you can use this to check if that business is existing in that particular address. Okay, you can
Oh,
use
no.
it to check, so that you don't fall into the hands of people who want to use you and dump you. Okay, especially in the Western world. I don't know really for Nigeria, but it can work in some other countries that people would tell you my address is 135 um 135 Cordele Close, give you the address as you should have it. Okay. So that is it. You can scroll all the way down. And if you want to see any of the streets or road, just all you need to do is click on it. So now we have 365. Let's wait for it to zoom. So that's why if anybody is coming, it means that that person don't go my village, go collect better village people magic. Because I'll follow you up. All I need is your address, okay? All I need is your address. And sometimes, if I want to know if you are really in existence, I don't need to call you. Your address and your registered phone number, and I'll get you details
But
about yourself.
can this thing be applicable in Nigeria where the houses, major houses, even in urban cities, don't have these addresses like this?
Okay, let's check Lagos, right? Let's check Lagos. Let's
Perfect.
see
Okay.
if we can find anything in Lagos.
Okay.
So we have Lagos right here, isn't it? So this is Ikeja. This is where. So which
Ikorodu.
part of Lagos should we check?
Ikorodu.
Okay, Ikorodu. Okay, so this is Ikorodu. We keep zooming in. Do you stay in Ikorodu?
Nah.
Nobody here stays in Lagos, so you can see how crowded the whole place is.
I
That is
know.
a mess.
So jam
See how
packed.
crowded. See how crowded the whole place is from space. I mean, the
Yeah.
bird's eye view. So let's zoom in. You see houses, huh?
Wow.
So we keep zooming in. Now we can see particular streets. Let's zoom in. So it will take a while to load because we have been almost. This is the end of the zooming. You can see we can't zoom in anymore.
Mm.
And as it is, I'm not sure we can. Let's unlike the other one that told us to click on the streets, we may not be able
To
to
get
do the
street names.
clicking. Yes, we may not, but we can see the houses.
Yeah.
We can see the houses, but we cannot really get to see each of the houses. So there's no way I can zoom in to the house compared to, if you want to,
Yeah. Mm.
if you want to see, this is quite easy, right?
Yes.
So you can just let's check the community college or college road. So you can see we have blue lines, and all we need to do is
Yeah.
to click on them. The name of the street and road will come up, and the
That's
picture
good.
of the building. If you try it on your own, it should come up. Mine is spending time to load. But compared to, we don't have blue lines on the Nigerian map. But let's zoom out and let's check Lekki. Shebi na Lekki be the big boys place now. So let's check
Yes.
Lekki here and see if we
If he
can
has
locate
blue line.
blue lines. Dangote fertilizer plant is even here. So we can see the entire Dangote plants. See, if we zoom in, you can see the whole thing. There's still space for zooming in, but I'm not interested in that place. So let me leave Dangote alone. This is the refinery. See that?
Mm-hmm.
This is a refinery. I'm looking for residential areas. Um, Itaoko Island. Let me look at that place. I've
Or
never
Ekpe.
been.
Ekpe is
Just
also a residential area in Lekki.
Ekpe. Oh, where is it?
Oh, go up. No, towards the Dangote area side.
Yeah, this
Yeah.
Ekpe.
Mm.
Yeah.
Okay. So, okay, I see some houses as usual. These houses are looking like from space. They are looking like 1960 houses. So they are not as
Ah,
clear.
ah,
I talk.
no
See,
blue line.
they even wrote Old Lagos Road, meaning it's a new Lagos Road. So Ekpe
Our
people
own
are
is not
just
blue. The line is not blue, it's orange.
it's not blue. So you can't
It's orange.
even
It's not
you can't
clickable.
yeah. So but if we check the US, let's check the US, North America specifically, and see if they have something. Ontario. I want to check. Okay, let me check Iowa. This so zoom in. Okay, there are no residential areas here. I don't carry Unago where I don't know.
You carry
So
us a go where we no.
let me look at Houston. Okay, let me even look at my place here,
Ah,
Dallas. I've been to 11, 11 states. Dallas fine, better people dey there. So you see how a lot of people as well with bridges. You, you see how clear
ah,
this is from space. You see, you can even see
yeah,
cars. But when we're looking at
yeah.
the one from Nigeria, what we saw was you know
Mm, mm.
nothing there. Let's look at the Korodu. We'll be looking
No,
at
sir.
Nigeria. Let's look at another African country, huh?
Or let's look at Abuja and see if it's maybe because
Or
it's
Tunisia,
Lagos.
so something outside South Africa will be much better now. The faster
Let me
development.
check Johannesburg.
Yeah, that's
I
good.
can even see the red distinct from here. South
Yeah,
Africa
you
and
see
Rwanda.
red line.
The blue, can't you see? I said it.
Can you can you
I'm
see?
not surprised.
It's very clear, isn't
Just
it?
check Rwanda too. Rwanda will be the same.
Nigeria go hard to judgment day. You go hard to judge Nigerians. So
You're not serious, Mr. Dean.
see houses. They are like so. You can use this to find out locations. If you want to travel to anywhere, you could use this to navigate. This is Madagascar, Australia,
Australia.
Arabia. You know, which place is this?
I was about accent. French
French,
Southern
Southern, and Antarctica.
Atlantica land. I don't think human beings stay there.
Who told you?
Hmm.
People wey no want Nigeria problem dey o. Here is
No.
another one. Head Island and McDonald's Island. If they're not human beings, they go name am McDonald Islands. Let me zoom in and see. Snow.
I don't think human beings are here, so I
Uh,
guess it's just an acquisition of properties, more like.
St. Denis. Okay, this is Mauritius. You see, the more we zoom in, Now we see that this is an entire country looking like a dot
In
on
the
the
map,
map.
just
So
like Israel.
when you zoom in, you now begin to see civilization. You
Wow.
see?
Wow.
So you wouldn't even know, right? Just look at how they look like on the map. A dot, simple dots. See that? But that is a country, you know. So you can use this to teach your kids the map of the world, zoom in. So if you want to look at Abuja,
Abuja.
you can try that on your own. So, okay, this is the US. If you click on this, on any of these blue, can you see this now?
Wow.
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 So
Wow.
you can actually zoom in. You can move it this way and
Wow.
begin to. So when you lie to me in Dallas that you are staying at a particular address, and then I type this address into my map, search for it, and there's nothing like that. I can even tell you the color of the car that is parked in front of your house at this instant. You think that I am
Using Ujuju.
following you, or can you guys hear me?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Yes, sir, we can hear you.
Hello?
Hello.
Hear you.
We're here.
Network through him out. Hello, you carrier.
Yes, I can hear you.
Okay,
Yeah, I think
network.
network. Yes. Since it's only the two of us that is still in the class.
Mm. Did you download the Office 365 and registered with your this thing?
Yeah, they're asking me for to pay. That's my own. That's the problem.
But
The
you have,
challenge I'm having is that. Say that again.
you said the challenge you're having is what?
Is the payment. Once I'm
So
able to pay, then I know.
that means it's a
I
must you must pay
downloaded.
before you start making.
Yes. Yes.
Okay.
And I tried using the student one. It's asking me for the email address of the school, of my school. Yeah, that's the only one you can use for free.
That means it's better you just pay for the. How much is the payment?
For personal for 1 year is 26,000. So call it 27,000 because 26,999.
Naira.
Yes.
Naira. Okay.
Yeah, 26,000 naira for 1 year.
All right, guys, can you see hear me, please?
Welcome back, sir.
Thank you. I got lost and I'm trying to restart my system right now. I have to log in with another device. So, what
Okay.
I succeeded in doing is to show you guys that you can also trace people's businesses to their exact location depending on where they are located. That'll give you an idea of how well you are using your Microsoft 365. Okay. So basically, for a few minutes, I'm going to be giving you guys a list of some plugins. Now, in 365, is there any of you that want to share your screen, please? Let me take you through it. Who wants to volunteer?
I
Because
don't
my
have donkey.
system is still loading now. You said?
I don't have Office 665, so I can't share.
No, I'm talking about, do you have your laptop? I'm not talking about 365.
So I have
We
my,
are addressing.
yeah, I'm
All
using
right.
my laptop.
Good. Share your screen, please. Just want to introduce you guys to how you can use AI on Google Sheets. So if you follow the whole process in 365, all you need to do is transport the same knowledge you got from Microsoft 365 to your Google Sheets, and there you have it. Okay. Are you still sharing your screen?
Yes,
I'm not seeing it yet. What's keeping you?
I see my screen, sir.
Nope.
Whole process in 365. All you need to do is transport the same knowledge you got from Microsoft 365 to your Google Sheets,
Can you
and
see
there
my
you have
screen?
it. Okay. I can see your screen, but please can you put off the video? Like cancel the YouTube you have that's playing. Are you still sharing your
Okay.
screen? So that I don't hear
Yes,
myself twice. So cancel the YouTube. I'm not seeing it yet. Let me know when you do that.
okay. I'm trying to.
Just cancel it from the top.
Are you still hearing yourself?
What's keeping you?
That's what I'm doing. Are you still
I'm still
hearing
hearing
yourself?
myself.
No. Are you see my screen, sir?
I can see your screen.
Nope.
Whole process in 365. All you need to do is transport the same knowledge you got from Microsoft 365 to your Google.
Done. So are you hearing me?
Yes, I can hear you.
Okay, I've cancelled it.
So is this your screen that is sharing now?
Yes, sir.
All right. So open to your Gmail account or Gmail.
I'm not. I'll have to share my whole screen because you know be seeing the. I just shared only this particular.
Yeah, share your whole screen.
Okay, just give me a second.
So you have to stop sharing and then share again.
Okay, then it's not me that is sharing because I just shared my entire screen now. It's not. I'm sharing my entire screen now, so I don't know why it's not sharing. Okay, okay.
Right. So open your Gmail. Go to Google Drive.
Oh, I went to Gmail. Let me go to Drive.
Then open your Google Sheet from Google Drive. That is, click on New. Click on Google Sheet. There's an arrow there. Okay, you've already clicked on it. All right, so you can rename your Google Sheets, maybe AI class in Excel. Click on that.
What's this? I still see my screen, sir.
Yes.
Okay.
So for those who are following, I hope all of you in the comment section are following, please. If you are following, please just type you are following. If you have questions, please, you can drop them in the comment section. This is the time you ask, please. Any question? Are you guys following?
Yes, sir, we are following, sir.
All right, let's continue. Please mute yourself, please. Mute yourselves. Someone is making a noise at the background. All right, let's proceed. Chigozie, are you there?
I'm here, sir.
Chigozie.
I had to mute myself. I'm here.
Okay. Now go to extensions.
Okay. Add-ons.
Yeah, don't click, relax. Then go to get add-ons.
Okay.
So you are going to have, if you have been following what we've been talking about, you see that
Yes.
arrow, you see that arrow before the cancel, the cancel icon.
Console.
The arrow facing upwards, yes, click on it.
Long.
So that is where, unlike Microsoft, if you want to get all the apps I showed you guys on Microsoft, you have to go to Microsoft App Store, just like you go to your iOS store or you go to your Google Play Store for your apps on your smart devices, right? For computers, you can go to get apps in Google App Store or Workspace or Microsoft App Store. Is that okay?
Yes, sir.
All right. So now this is our Google Space. You are going to open type Sheet AI.
Sheet as in like
Sheet
this.
AI.
Okay.
Yes, Sheet and then AI.
Okay.
So Sheet together with AI. There's no space. Sheet AI. Exactly. So that is it. Sheet AI app. We are going to install it.
I should click on it.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
So after that, you are going to click on this. Click on it. That's the Sheet AI app,
Okay.
and then click on install.
Okay.
Click
Continue.
on continue. Yes. Good. Now
I should.
click on yes. Click on your account.
Okay. Very good. I should allow.
Yes.
Next.
Yes.
Done.
Yes.
It's done. What do I do next?
Okay, it's done, right? Now
Yes,
go
sir.
to your Google Sheets.
I should close this one now.
No, don't close it. Just leave it. Go to your Google Sheets.
It's
Okay,
on my.
yeah, close this one. Close this one.
Okay. See the Google Sheet here.
Good. So click on extension.
Okay.
And no, click on extensions. Click on add-ons. Click on get add-ons or manage add-ons.
Wow.
Sorry, cancel this. Do you
Mm,
see anything on your, just wait a minute. Do you see anything like Sheet GPT or anything of sort?
no.
Okay.
Where am I meant to see it exactly?
You are supposed to see it somewhere as your menu. So that means we need to install it again. Yes, click on extensions, click on manage add-ons. Let's see if it's even there in the first place.
Okay. See it's here.
Okay, so click on it.
Okay.
Is it there? Okay, it's
Yeah, it's
showing uninstall.
there. That
All
means it's
right.
in.
So that means it's there, right?
Yes, sir.
All right. So now cancel this. Let's see if we can do something with Sheets. Can you see hear me?
Yes, sir.
All right. So click on equals to GPT. Open brackets.
Okay.
So let's say we want to put your double quotes. So let's say we want to have something like create a list. Create a list.
I should
Type.
try to type. Okay.
Create a list of
Uh-huh.
20
20 is in numerical in alphabet.
numerical,
Okay. 20.
20 top universities and country. Then
And
put your
countries.
and country.
Is it
Put your
country or
double quotes.
countries?
Create a list of 20 top universities and countries. Then put your double quotes, close it and close brackets. Hit enter. Let's see. Okay. So this is not going to work because we are going to have to import something. And for us to import that thing, we are going to remove the equals to GPT, put equals to sheet AI slash
Equals to sheet
table
AI.
underscore, sorry, not slash, sheet AI underscore table.
Okay. He has this red line on the that underline the whole sentence.
Sheet dot AI.
Okay, sheet.ai.
It's
Okay.
still underlined.
Yeah, it's still underlined.
Wonder why it's not working. Go back to extensions, click on it, let me see. Click on Sheet AI app. Click on the arrow, let me see.
It just wrote
Okay, click
help.
on it. Just click on it. No, no, not help.
Okay.
Click on the app.
I've clicked on it. Is it twice or once?
Click once. That should have
I clicked on it. It's not that nothing is showing.
nothing is showing.
Yes, sir.
Remove your cursor from the body of the text. Just click on anywhere else. Okay,
Okay.
then go back there and click on it. Let me see.
It's still not working.
Oh wow. Let me see if I can. I'm having issues using my own that's why I needed this sorted. Let me see if it will work now. Stop sharing. Let me share my screen.
Okay. So
Can you see my screen?
I can see it.
Yeah, you see what it's showing. So I need to do a lot of troubleshooting to be able to remove the error 400. Okay,
Okay.
that's why I'm having issues. If not, I would have worked on whatever it is I'm doing. But before I come back to you to share your screen, let me write a couple of other plugins I need you guys to look at. So we have the following plugins. I just
I should follow
mentioned
the procedure you just did now through extension, right?
what?
The one you want to add, then the one you're writing now, I should just follow the way you directed me to do it through extension and add it in my Google Sheets.
Please come again with your question.
I said, sir, these ones you're trying to tell us now about the other new
Yes,
plugins, I should just follow the way you guided me to through extension to add it in my own Google Sheet.
exactly,
Okay. Okay.
exactly. So these are some of the most important, some of the very good plugins I need you guys to work with. So we have GPT for sheets and docs. I'll troubleshoot from my end. So you remember in Microsoft Word, we always have some rows that sometimes look very empty. Do you remember?
Yes, sir.
So we have a an AI plugin that can help us to. So please write this down before I ask you to. When you are done, let me know. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Let me.
Well, you are okay. I'm sure, sir. Mary Ann, Mary Ann,
Yes.
are you true?
Yeah,
Are
I'm
you true?
done.
Okay, okay, Karen, are you true?
Yes, please.
Okay.
All right. So Chiguze, before you share your screen, I need you to quickly type this. Let's go to sheet number 2. We want to look at. We want. Let me rename this. Please rename this to be AI add-ons for sheets. Okay? Then we want to look at the prompt loop. How does it
Okay.
work? So I want to write this the prompt loop. So how does this particular one work? Now let's take for instance that um, we have a list of fruits like apple. Please type this down because we're using your. We have apple, and Then we have orange. Then we have kiwi, and then we have plum. And on this other side, we have the colors like red. Okay, apple is red, orange is orange, kiwi is green, and then plum is purple, right? And this is what we have. And then we can go ahead. Our other fruit names are raisin, we have lemon, we have banana, and then you have nectarine. So this is what we have. Let me bold on this. So instead of you to go ahead to type the colors over and over again for each of them, a prompt loop would help you to automatically fill this content. Are you following me? So from
Yes,
here to
sir.
here, let me put this in color. From here to here is what is called, no, I want this to be black. Good. Want the field to be yellow. So from yellow, let me write this. The yellow equals to range. So that is our range. And from raisin to nectarine, I want to put green. So I'm going to say the green equals to our targets. Okay? Yellow is our range, and then green is our target. So how do we use our prompt loop? I need you to write this quickly. So our prompt, this is how it works. You are going to have equals to prompt loop. I would have done this, but you see the error I've been having trying to install it. So I need to use another email that allows me to use extensions on Google Sheets. And I don't need to waste your time to use another email to do that. So that's why I'm using your screen. Are we okay?
Yes, sir.
So we have
Yes,
equals to
sir.
prompt loop, bracket open. Then you, after that, you now select your range. Select your range. Oh, remember, what is our range? What is our range?
Yellow, apple, orange, and kiwi and plum.
Exactly. So you have to select all of that. Okay. When you select all of that, that's our range. Then you put your comma, and then you put your color, meaning your color. After that, you now put your target. That is how it works.
I don't understand this thing you just said now.
Okay. Who is asking?
Chigozie.
Okay. For Chicos, they're good. So this is how the prompt loop works. Let me do it. I just wrote down the formula. Equals to prompt loop, bracket open, your range. So you highlight all of this. That's your range. Put your comma, your color. You highlight all of this. And then what is your target? Meaning this is what you want the Google Sheets to automatically fill you in. Instead of typing the color of raisin here, lemon here, banana here, what if you have a list of fruits and you are told to write their colors? All you need to do is write one fruit and their color, and then train the algorithm, train the artificial intelligence, train it to say this is my fruit and then this is my color. Use this information to now automatically tell me the colors of the following fruits below. Do you understand now?
Yes, sir.
Good. So now you have told it to, you have highlighted the range, you have highlighted the color of that range. Now you now go ahead to now highlight the target. And when you are done, you hit enter. It's going to underline because I have not installed the plugin.
Okay.
Chigozie, have you seen what I've done?
Yes, sir.
Good. So I need you to do the same thing for your sheet. So that is
That means
it's showing.
I will firstly go and add the plug one in my.
Exactly. Exactly.
Okay. Okay.
So that is it. I hope everyone understands now. So this the name of the plugin is called Front Loop. I'm going to give you guys another example now. Let me know. Share your screen. Let's do it together.
Okay, sir.
Share your screen.
I see my screen.
Yes, go ahead.
Okay.
Not yet.
Front loop. Don't just install.
Let me go
Go
to
to
new.
extend. Go
I
to
want
new
to.
sheet. Just click on the plus sign. Exactly. Add sheet. Go to extensions.
Extensions. Add on. Get add on.
I just hope this works now in your system. So
I will have to.
you did not even type the things I said you should type. So what are you going to use it for now?
Okay. Okay. It's true. It's true. It's true. It's true.
I
Let
was
me tell
telling
you.
you to type it. You didn't type it.
I copied it down. I was
Okay.
copying it down in my jotter.
The fruit name is kiwi.
It's my soul. KIW, ba?
Yes.
WI.
KIWI.
Okay. Ba- All right. Get add-on.
Install. So this works like VLOOKUP. You remember
Okay.
VLOOKUP?
VLOOKUP, yes, sir.
So this is the AI version of VLOOKUP.
Wonderful. Done. I should close it.
Yeah, close it and then use it. Let's see. Remember to type your colors.
Okay.
Please, if you have questions, drop them in the comment section. Because this is my last class with you guys. In future, I hope to build on the class. Remember, this is our very first class on AI in Excel. So the more I discover new things, the more I always would drop new stuff.
So I will now pause
Yeah,
to
equals to Prompt loop.
Equals to PLO.
You can see it's written there because you install it. Can you see?
Yeah, which one
You
of
look
them
at
now
the
is
list.
it now? They have prompt loop list,
The
prompt
first
loop.
one. The first one. We have prompt loop. We have some. Yes, that one.
Okay, equals to.
Then the range.
I should from here to here,
Uh-huh.
comma,
Comma. The color.
the color from here to here,
Comma.
comma,
And then
the
your target.
target. Enter.
Then bracket close.
Okay.
And then enter.
Holy. Wow.
Can you see? Re-enable account to continue. So this one is your problem now.
So how
So
do I do it?
I don't know why it's saying re-enable account to continue. Drag down. Let me see. No, click on the arrow at the extreme and drag down. Where you carry am they go now. You've left column E to F.
See the arrow now.
Drag down. So normally if you are dragging down, it's supposed to show you um, the different colors.
So how do I re-enable my account to continue now?
This Google Sheet, that's, let me see, account, re-enable account to continue. Click on extensions again, let me see. Then click on prompt loop, the arrow, click on activate.
Activate. Okay.
Now go back and refresh your account. Like refresh from the, no, not undo, refresh, no. Refresh, go to where you have docs.google.com. There's a refresh button, that arrow that almost looks like a circle. Take your cursor to the left.
Okay, here.
That's it. Yes.
Reload.
Okay. So cancel what you typed and let's do it again. Cancel all of that. You can see?
Okay.
Cancel all of that. Just cancel everything. Let's start again. All right, good. Now go to extensions. Wait, go to extensions. Click on prompt loop, the arrow. Click on reactivate.
Wow.
All right, good. So you can see now that you have the prompt loop adding. It
Yes.
should be it should be loading from the right, or is that
Yeah,
the
I'm
left?
seeing it now. Is from the right from here.
So
It's
let's try
loading.
it again. Let's try equals to.
Okay.
Try it. Follow the same process. Let's see if
Equals.
it will work.
Okay. Comes to the range. Okay, it's out. Range, comma,
Comma, colors, target,
color,
bracket close.
comma, target, bracket, close, enter.
Can you see that? So you can
Yes.
drag down. So reason is orange color, lemon is lemon, banana is banana, nectar is mix. Can you see that?
Wow. Yes, sir.
Good. So this is another example. Stop sharing. Let me type another example for you.
Okay, sir.
The last one for today.
I'm feeling like I won American lottery.
We are happy about this.
Hey, I'm not happy. I'm excited.
Can you see? Now this one is going to be very good for those who work as a this is a complex example. Okay.
We are not seeing your screen, sir.
So
Okay.
this is like this is a complex example now. So what is the example? It says come up.
Now, can you zoom in? Can you zoom in your screen a bit, please?
Um, don't worry,
Okay.
I'll maximize my chart.
Okay, sir.
Um, let me see. Is this okay
Okay.
now?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So we have come up with product listing for Shopify. Okay. Or whatever e-commerce company you have and so on. So that's a question. And so what is the so we have something like this is the listing. We have Max sneakers, blue, men's. How many of you have visited some e-commerce websites before
I'm not a fan of those. No.
or other products online? So that's the first one. Then we have the second description of the product. Okay, so you can describe your product. We have a summer
Winter.
flats. Let's say women's active wear, things like that. So give me an example of one of your other maybe women, your bags, right? You have
Bags. Yeah,
bags.
bags.
So we're describing the bags, right? So we have women bags. Is it
Is it in
something we wear every day? So we can say active wear.
active?
And what
Okay.
else? Is it formal or informal, or you use it for
Okay.
occasions?
Okay.
Let's just say informal,
Informal. Okay.
something like this. And then you go to number three, and you have um, men. For men, we can say what should we give men? Shirts. Okay,
Shirt
so we say shirt.
or trouser.
Then we it's let's say we want them black. They are men's, formal, okay, and made of cotton, something
Okay.
like this. Okay,
Okay.
so let me highlight this and put them all in one column. So where do I can do this text wrap? Perfect. Then make this way. Good. So for the description, I want to say something like, for the description here, I want to say the Max sneakers. Please, you can write this down. The Max sneakers uh, is for premium men. Okay. It is blue and made of leather. Get this for your man, something like this. Then I go to the second and I say something like the women's summer. Are you guys following what I'm doing?
Yes, I'm
That
copying it in.
it's an active wear for um let me say
So
something
please,
like for classic women,
will you
something
need
like
my screen for this? My system is about going off, and I don't have lights. Will you be needing my screen for this example?
who else wants to use their screen, please?
Because mine is just remaining to go off anyway. It's just remaining 19%.
Anyway, let me just describe to you what you do and get the same results. You can do it
Okay.
on your own, okay?
Okay.
So now let's say you have this example. So this, all of this,
Mm-hmm.
all of this is, let me color them, is called the yellow. Let me write it here. Yellow equals to the input. This is what we have. If you go to
Okay.
some e-commerce stores, let me open Amazon.com, because you, who knows where you end up tomorrow, and they are telling, they just give you a product, they are asking you to describe that product. So you
Okay.
describe, for instance, let me click on this beauty stuff. Exactly. So you see this, you don't even know how this product, let's say you are a man and you are told to describe this product because they want to put it for advertisement. So all you need to do is you copy all of this: matchy patch original from Hero Cosmetics, blah blah. You don't, even me that is talking, I don't understand what the heck this product is about. So all I need to do is do what I'm doing right now and I'll get the exact same response. So it will automatically create a description of that product for me. Do you understand?
Okay.
So this is the yellow is the input, and the green, let me put green. The green is what? The green equals
Description.
to the output,
Okay.
or
Output.
description, whatever you want to put it. So now what we are going to do is we have gotten the input and output, but we are looking for these two. So these two now is what is called our target. Remember?
Okay. Okay. Still making use of this our
Exactly, exactly.
inflow.
So
Okay. Okay.
it's like this is light green. I don't know, but let me just put light green,
That's light blue.
light blue, whatever. That is the target. So our prompt is going to work like this. It's going to work equals to prompt loop, okay, bracket open. You put your input, okay,
Okay.
highlight your input, then tell it that this input, this is how I want the story to be. When you now train it on the story, you now tell it, oh yeah, oh, create a story for my target, and then bracket finish.
Okay.
That's
So
how it
now,
works.
this if I click on it now, this
Mm.
description now, it now go to the e-commerce industry and look for the description that matches this bag, women's bag, active wear, informal.
Exactly, it will do it for you automatically.
Wonderful. Wonderful. Okay, I wish I can
So
share.
you can use this to create. In fact, there is something I wanted to show you guys on that GPT. Remember, I told you there is something called equals to GPT. You remember?
That was the first thing we tried that it did not work out in
Exactly.
the.
So I needed to do something before teaching you this one. If you remember that we got to open AI and got the product key. Do you remember?
Yes, yes,
We
yes.
went to OpenAI, platform.openai.
Okay,
We
yeah,
got
yes.
the product. So there is another thing that works like that on this particular Google Sheet. So this is how we got it, if you remember.
Yes, yes, I
So we
remember
came here,
this. Yes,
copied, yeah,
and
we
create
copied
New account.
Exactly. So for Google Sheets, normally how we do this is we just go to, let me cancel this. We go to our extension. You see this app script, you click
Yes.
on it. So I'm supposed to send you guys a code. You all you need to do is post is not even working. You can see it's not going to open because I already have issues with this account. So,
Right.
but yours is going to open, and then you now post that code there and edit it. If you follow what we did in Microsoft 365, where we inserted it into our, sorry, in our Microsoft desktop, where we inserted it into our VBA macros, okay? We inserted the API keys into that code, and then we ran it. So if you have some credits on your API to work. So what with this one, you will be able to do, can you see my screen, please?
Yes, sir.
With this one, all you need to do is insert your GPT, and then you can tell it to do anything. For instance, you can tell it to create a list of 20 countries, their presidents, and population, and then do this. By the time you do this, okay, it is going to automatically create that list for you, put it on columns and rows for you.
So can you just make out time and do this class again for us, please?
You people are not inspiring me. Look at, it's just only you that is here. The rest
Please,
people
I'm
are
begging
just
you,
I
my
have,
brother.
so like there's someone waiting for me to go pick him up right now, because we have meetings somewhere. I just
Please.
have to create time to share. So that is how this GPT works. We also have this one called equals to AI. Equals to AI. It works differently. You can tell it to do whatever you want to do. Like it works almost like the chat GPT. That is how this one works. Okay, so I'll just end the section here anyway. And hopefully I wish you guys all the best. Please join our free Excel class. Share the
I'm
link
in
with
the
your.
Excel class already. I'm in your here. I'm in the analysis class. You're doing an internship. And next month, I
Oh,
want to go to the Python class.
okay, nice. So hopefully those who listen to this recording um will learn one or two things. Okay.
All right. Thank you, sir. God bless you so much.
All right. Take care. Bye.
All right, sir. Bye.